Sugarcane juice is among the refreshing summer drinks which offer the warm summer's great relief. Children and youth are famous for their delicious taste or dietary qualities, which treat their flavor buds while keeping their body safe and hydrated during the day. Not only does it quench your thirst, it also increases the body's energy level. It gives you a range of health benefits and should be added to your diet. Take a look at some of the benefits of drinking them if you also have some other reasons. 1. Fat-free. Whether you believe it or not, but sugarcane juice, due to the natural sweetener in it, is completely fat-free. You don't have to think about unnecessary fat intake when you drink it. You should drink it without worry in the summer to benefit from it. 2. Full of fiber. Another key reason to drink sugarcane juice is that it comes full of fibers, which keeps you filled for a long period of time and allows you to lose stubborn fat. Yeah, you have heard that correctly. You will get back to shape faster than anyone else with this juice. 3. Energy booster. The inclusion in the sugarcane juice of natural sugar gives it a major energy boost. So in the warm summer, a drink of this juice will help you get back in shape if you feel low or strength is reduced. 4. Reduce bad cholesterol. More than just decrease the amount of bad cholesterol in your blood, you want to drink sugarcane juice. The beverage itself does not contain cholesterol, and is healthy in the summer season. 5. Metabolism Booster. Sugarcane juice has various properties which help detoxify impurities in the body, which further stimulate metabolism. And don't forget that healthy metabolism doesn't only burn fat, but also ensures good health. 6. Skin care. One of the unexpected benefits of sugarcane is the fact that it battles acne, decreases imperfection, slows aging and preserves skin softness. Alpha-hydroxy acids are supposed to have great skin health advantages. Glycolic acid in sugarcane, which helps maintain radiance in the skin, is one of the most prominent alpha-hydroxy acids. 7. Increased immunity. In sugarcane juice, the consistency of antioxidants and vitamin C helps to improve the immune system. Sugarcane juice combats stomach, liver, respiratory infections and decreases inflammation. The strong antioxidants can neutralize bilirubin secretion in the body. These are some reasons why sugarcane juice is the perfect summer drink to offer your health benefits. This is a balanced beverage that provides the body with a good deal of nutrients. You should not hesitate to find a nutritionist around you, to make sure that you have a small quantity of it and that you know the correct amount according to your health. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you'd like help putting these cool ideas to work in your fitness journey, get in touch via the link below. We'd love to help you.